Is his recording?
Yes.
You ready on that?
Start recording.
Mm-hmm.
Now hit it with one of these.
Thank you. Damn. That's nice.
That was the slug in the beach. What?
Done.
You want to get out?
Yep.
Alright, have a great day.
You got that on camera, right?
Yours?
Yours. You got that second shot, right?
No.
Ah.
Wait, I got another bottle.
No, you did, right?
Oh man.
No?
You hit right dead center with that slug.
Jeez.
I'm sorry.
Oh man.
There's not much of a bucket left.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't hit the frame, did it?
Huh?
Oops.
No.
Hit only what was important.
You know, we have that jug of Gatorade.
Yeah, I'd rather not do that one. Here's your slug bag, sir. Really? That's the slug. 1 ounce of lead.
Where'd you find this? In the sand?
Yeah, I dug it out of the bucket.
Put one in. Do it again.
Hoorah.
Do a good shot with that.
Thank you.
Use the one.
Do you want me to use birdshot or this one?
Use that one again.
Okay. Camera rolling?
Yes.
Ears on?
What?
Oh,
I think it's dead.
I think I just got wet.
crap. Oh man.
I got milked.